In today's video, we are going to be talking about the newly added graphics in your building blocks here in Google Slides. So there have been a lot of update here in Google Slides. In a previous video, I've already shown you our sidebar right here where we have our templates, our building blocks, our stock and web, and our drive-in photos. Most of these are also found here in our menu bar, but basically this sidebar be a shortcut for all the graphics that you want to use on your presentation. So with our building blocks, we have more elements or graphics that you can add on your presentation depending on what you're working on. So if we go to our building blocks right here, if I click on it, it will open this side panel with the different elements again that we can use on our presentation. Another way that we can open this, or another place where we can open our building blocks, would be with our insert. So if I close this off and go to insert right here in the menu bar, if I click on that, here it is, here is our building blocks. So if I click on it again, there you have it. We have the same building blocks panel on the right side. So again, you will notice there are new things that are added here in our building blocks. The agendas and the lists were already there, but with these elements, we also have some new graphics. But before that, we also have our headlines, our people, our contact us, our badges, and collaboration. So for the rest, those have been here on the building blocks before, but now we have again new elements that have been added, which are our key statistics, our codes, our headlines, our people, our contact us, our badges, and our collaboration. Let's go to our key statistics, click on that, and here we have it. So again, these are different elements. They can be some sort of graph or chart or a different type of visual that would represent data on your presentation. These are quite useful, especially when you are trying to present numbers or values that would be otherwise boring to see unless they are presented in a different way where more people would understand. So if I add this on a slide, let's go to a new slide right here, change our layout to a blank one. There we go. So if I click on this, there you have it. It's automatically added to my slide. I can resize it, and of course, I can edit it any way I want by ungrouping it first. There you have it. So if I select this shape right here and change the color to maybe this one to make it a bit brighter, there you have it. And of course, these tags are for you to edit in accordance, of course, to your presentation or to the data that you're trying to present. So this visual is quite useful in representing values that are again otherwise boring, but if presented in the right way, would be very interesting and would catch the attention of a lot of your viewers. So that's for our key statistics. Let's go to the next one, which would be our codes. If we click on this, there we have it. Different type of ways for us to insert a code in our presentation. May it be a relevant code and you just want to present it in an interesting or eye-catching way. If we add a new slide right here, add this one, there you have it. So we have the shape and the color contrast of our text and the color of the shape to make that code really stand out. Next one would be our headlines. Click on that, and again, here are the different headlines that you can use. So you can edit all of these. I can double click on this and edit the text inside. Let's say, to be or not to be. There you have it. I've edited the text and here it is. So again, you can edit all of these, whether that's your key statistics, your codes, your headlines, your people, your contact us, your badges, and your collaboration. Everything would be editable. Whether that's the color of the shape or the text color or the font style, you can change it to how you want it to look like. And there you have it. So with these newly added graphics here in Google Slides, it definitely helps you make your presentation more eye-catching, more interesting for your viewers. And there you have it. Those are the new graphics that have been added here in the building blocks inside Google Slides. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.